Is Rainbow Six Siege down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Rainbow Six Siege right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. So if you try to go to Twitter and then if you search for Rainbow Six Siege like that, just like I did right now, and then if you go to most recent, you will see that many people are complaining with some problems at the Rainbow Six Siege right now. So this guy says Ubisoft is just trying to ruin Rainbow Six Siege at this point. It has been validating for 10 minutes now, like, yeah, and then if you scroll down, you will see some other comments from people who have problems with Six Siege. Ash Dolan says, is there something up with Rainbow Six Siege not loading for me or my other degenerates? Also, Elaine says that Siege server is down again. So guys, you don't have to worry about it because you are not the only one who has problems with Six Siege right now. They will fix this as soon as possible, but if you still want to try to fix it, you should reinstall the app, restart your device, log out, and then log in again and see if it works. But mainly you just have to wait. So if you do have issues with Rainbow Six Siege right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, what it's not working for you, what specific problems do you have, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. So you can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.